Okay, so today we're gonna learn most important basic steps in salsa for absolute beginners. When you have zero experience, this is how to start. So first we're gonna learn basic in place. So basically, you just stay on your 2 feet and try to change weight from one foot to another, and you just march in place. And we're gonna do 3 steps in a time, starting always with our left leg. So this is our left leg. So we're gonna just march in place. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and with the right leg 5, 6, 7. So this is a basic in place, and we try to do it a little bit more rhythmical with the 1, 2, 3 timing. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is a basic in place, step number 1. Step number two in salsa is going to be forward and back basic. So what is forward and back basic? So it's exactly the same marching, but here we're going to slightly travel forward, then back, and then again back. And the backward basic is with our right foot, we're going to travel back, then forward, forward. Still feeling like we are dancing salsa. Try not to travel too much. Very small, easy steps. You don't really have to close. Feel like you're walking. Feel like you're marching still. So you're going to look like this: forward and back basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So tips already here: do not lift the legs, don't make too big of a steps, don't try to close correctly, just keep walking, bend your knees a little bit, relax your hips and chest, and do a forward and back basic. So let's review. We already know in 2 steps. So basic in place, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and now we have forward and backward basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's already 2 steps. Let's move to the step number 3, is a side to side. Always start with your left. So this is my left, we go side. 1, 2, 3 together. We change weight, hold 4 with the right leg going other side. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's already 3 most important basic steps in salsa. Let's repeat them together. So we start with the basic in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Going forward and back basic, starting with our left forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And having a side to side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3 steps. So step number 4 is going to be open, break, back. What is open, break, back? It's with our left leg. Instead of going forward, we're going to go back, then we replace forward, then going together. And now we can do exactly the same with with our other foot, with the right foot. We're going back, replace front, together. So let's repeat that with the salsa music, salsa rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is open, break, backward. So let's do open, break, forward. It's exactly the same step, but here we're just going to go 2 times forward with each leg. So starting with the left, we're going forward, replace. Together now with our right foot, we're going forward, back, together. Let's repeat that with the salsa rhythm. We're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And here already tips. Small, compact step, knee slightly soft. Use your hips, use your upper body muscularity to produce that beautiful movement. Okay, so we got already 4 different steps. Let's repeat them together with me. So we're going with the basic in place. Salsa, soften your knee. We're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now forward and back basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open, break back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open, break forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we got already 5 different steps. So let's move to step number 6. It's a cumbia steps back. So cumbia steps is exactly the same as open break, just with a slight change of direction. So in open break, we were working, dancing in the same line, same dimension. Here we're going to slightly open our shoulders, slightly open up, change direction a little bit, but exactly the same step. So we start with our left leg, we're going diagonally back. 1, 2, 3, the same with our right foot. 5, 6, 7. And here the tips already, try not to make too big step. think slightly just opening that hip backward, and that will guide your leg. So it's cumbia steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8, of course. Now let's move to step number 7, is a cumbia steps forward. Exactly the same, very similar to the open break forward, but here we have a slight change of direction. So our step gonna go across, diagonally across. Looks like this with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is a cumbia step forward, cumbia step back. Let's do all the steps from very beginning. So start with the salsa basic in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Open break back. 1, 2, 3, 5. Open break forward. 1, 2, 3, 5. Cumbia steps back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Say cumbia step forward. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you got already 7 different basic, most important steps in salsa. And let's go to most important, then a little bit more upper level, advanced level turns. So we have left turn and we have a right turn. So start with the left turn, which is a little bit easier. So always start with the left leg, thinking about our basic step. With our left leg, we're going forward. With the right leg, we're going back. And here already start with your left shoulder slightly open up. So taking the shoulder here. Now with our left leg, we're gonna go opposite direction forward. Now with the right leg, we're gonna going forward, and we continue following our left leg, left shoulder to replace weight to our left leg forward and then together. So we get to the same place, and it's all take 6 different steps. So go step number 1, forward, slight already change direction. 2, step number 3, step number 4, keep turning, step number 5, 6. So the secret here is to take your left shoulder as you do a step and always follow your left shoulder. It's a very gradual turn. So let's try with the salsa timing. So you're going 1, 2, 3. We're already here. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So this is a left turn. Now we're going to move to the last movement for today is a right turn. It's going to be a little bit faster, a little bit sharper, but we can do it. So how to do right turn? So obviously we're going to follow our right shoulder, turning to our right, following our right shoulder. With the left foot, we step forward, but already here slightly we're going to have a little bit cross body, preparing ourselves for the turn. Slightly cross. Now from here, unwind your shoulder. 2. Now from here, this is the most difficult. You have to really turn it a little bit stronger to face direction you start and close your right. 3, hold 4, and here we finishing with half of the basic, back basic. 5, 6, 7. So with the timing is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's do left turn and then the right turn together. So we start with the left turn. Going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do all 9 steps in salsa together with me. So start with the basic in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step number 2, basic forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Step number 3, side to side. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Next step, open breaks. 1, 2, 3, backward. 5, 6, 7. Open break forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia backward. 3, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's try all these steps with the music.